Every year, federal employees get a limited window to make one of their most important financial decisions. FEHB Open Season. Open Season is your chance to review, change, or update your health, dental, and vision coverage for the coming year. But too many feds skip it, assuming nothing's changed, and that mistake can cost thousands. Here's what to know for 2025. First, check your plan updates. FEHB plans change premiums, deductibles, and coverage every year. Some add new benefits, others quietly raise costs. Don't assume last year's plan is still the best fit. Second, compare at least 3 plans. Start with your current plan, one lower cost option, and one higher coverage option. Use OPM's plan comparison tool at opm.gov healthcare insurance to see total out-of-pocket costs, not just premiums. Third, review coverage for dependents and retirees. If you plan to retire in the next few years, make sure your chosen plan will fit your needs under Medicare and FEHB coordination. Fourth, don't forget FEHB. Dental and vision plans also update rates and coverage annually. Review those before the deadline too. And finally, mark your calendar. Open season runs November 11th through December 9th, 2025. Once it closes, you're locked in for the year unless you have a qualifying life event. Here's the bottom line. Treat open season like your annual benefits checkup. Compare plans, update your coverage, and make sure your health insurance still matches your life and your retirement goals. If this was helpful, subscribe for more open season guidance and visit federalpensionadvisor.com for plan comparison tools and retirement checklists.